Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to enable Edge panel in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here, then go to display, then go to Edge panels. Just turn on this Edge panel so that Edge panel will appear on the right side of our screen. See here, if you swipe from the right to left, these are all the some shortcuts that are appearing in the Edge panel, so you can easily go to that particular item quickly. Okay, I open calculator. Okay, instead of searching here, just you can swipe here, and some important apps are by default showing. Okay, if you want to include your own app here, yes, you can include. Okay, suppose if you want to remove some of the apps available here, and if you want to add your desired app, then yes, you can do it. You have to click on this edit symbol, and here you can do it. Okay, for example, if you want to remove Google Chrome, just click on this minus symbol and it will go to the home screen. And if you want to include drive, just you can add drive, like pick up and drop here. Okay, suppose if you want to get Facebook, see here. So in this way you can add. Okay, these items, settings and calculator, call button, message, call button, these three items are fixed. Okay, they cannot be removed. Okay, so in this way you can easily enable Edge panel and customize Edge panel in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.